Good afternoon, guys. Good afternoon. Good afternoon, guys. Good afternoon, wherever are you guys. Today you are going to make Amapiano instrumental, guys. Amapiano beat. So, what can you do? How to make Amapiano? So I will show you here, guys. What can you do? So the first thing, what I'm asking to you guys, do subscribe on my page, like, comment, and share, guys. You see, if you do like that, it's going to be good things, guys. I'm going to respect you. I respect you. I love you, guys. So what can I do? Yes, Amapiano beat what we have, ne? So I'll show you how I make for you. That is still small, but I will show you what I do. But that is the best secret what you can do if you wanna make Amapiano. The first thing what you can do, just check your tempo. Amapiano is starting from 110, 111, 112 until 114. Me, I don't go over 114. That is not Amapiano. Yeah, you can do what it bends with your experience, but yeah, me, I like from 110, 11, 12, and 13, and 14, sometimes, and 14, yes. But I don't go for on top of those numbers. So from 110 and 2 and 11, 12, 13, that is best for Amapiano. It depends what type of Amapiano are you going to make. So me, I'm going to make like Amapiano, that first one, not soft, but that one, this one is fast. So you can feel that a small bit that I make. So after that, I'll show you how I make. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Ne? So is that beat? That is small bit, but on this small bit, you can get idea how to make Amapiano. If you want to, you get 100% idea how to make Amapiano, and I'll show you what I do on this beat. Ne? Sure. So let me do. Okay. What is the first thing I do? I take this shaker. You see this shaker? Same thing that you use. This shaker, you can drag it until here. Is this one. This shaker is this one. So I already put my shaker, so I delete this one. This one, that is the shaker that I use. I drag it and I put it here. So I have pattern 3 here. That is pattern 3 that I put on first introduce. So let me show you the pattern 3. You see the pattern 3? Yes, this. You can choose your kick, what kick you want. You see, what kick you wanna use. But me, I use this one, this kick on the pattern. You see, that one is for Amapiano, exactly. You see, that kick. Then I'll put a bongo. That bongo, this bongo. So easy, guys. If you have tempo, if you have your right tempo, you see, that one. You see it. You see? You see? Easy, guys. So we have another, this one. I hope you hear everything. That one. That is just following under the bongo. You see? And we have this one. That is another kick to make this one stronger. It's same, we copy here and come and paste here. So we have 2 kicks to make this one strong. So, and you come here, I have this one. That is, there you can put in sound. That is this one. This one is like a bongo again. That is, so this the second bongo. The same with this one. It's on the same line, you see. So that thing that I have. So you see, that is on pattern 3. You see. Then when we come here. See here on Purity, I have this one. That you just come on the leads and sense here, this one. It depends on what you do. But I'll just show you the basics and you see how I lay it. You see? So then you come here. That is second Purity. This one, the first one, this one is second one. On the pattern 3, you see? And that is melody. Strings, and you come to first strings on melody, you see? So, yes. So on the pattern 3, we have this one. All of them. We have this one on the pattern 3. You see? That pattern 3. You see this one, that is pattern 2. Pattern 2, we have this one, that is rising. That is rise. And this one, that is crunch. It's for changing. Then the first two, on the pattern number 1, that is major. Pattern number 1. We have kick. We have something that we put on the pattern 3, but this one have some another things like this one. This one we don't have on pattern 3. You see this one. You see. Yes, we don't have that one, and we don't have this log drum. You see. See, this log drum, you can't hear on this bass. That is log drum. This one. You see how I make it. This log drum. You can copy if you want. You can copy it. This one. Yes. So that is log drum. You can see what I make it. You see. Then I put another bass again. That is E flute on the DX10. You just go on the preset. You can see E flute. Yes, E flute. Yes. So that is another bass. It's same with that one. It's just a copy and paste. I copy this one and I come to paste it here. So to make my bass strong, that is everything I have on the pattern 1. So let me play everything on the pattern 1. You see that I have on the pattern 1. So let me see. Let me show you how I lay. You see that the first pattern number 3, the pattern number 3 that I lay here, that is introduction when you get in the beat. So the second number 2, that is rise. That is pattern number 3. And we have another here that I didn't show you. That is tremolo signal, that one. Let me play for you that one. That is loop. You can go to the loop drums. You can find the loop drums. Yes, tremolo signal. Yes, it. So if you have loop drums, you just take your shaker, the loop shaker, and then the tremolo signal. So yes, if you don't have log drum presets, not log drum presets. If you don't have drum loops, you can check on the Purity. You can find that tremolo signal. So that is my whole beat that I make it. I think you understand how I teach you. That is so nice and so easy, guys. You see? You see? Yes, it. You can lay again. That one, this one, it was a symbol. You can lay again. You can lay again. See? You can lay again. You see what I say? So that is the beat I make. You see? Symbol in the east, guys. Symbol in the east, guys. Symbol in the east, guys. You see? Yes, symbol in the east, guys. Yes, that is symbol in the east, guys. Symbol is straightforward, guys. Yes, it. Yes, it. Yes, it. Yes. 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 Yes, guys. Yes, guys. Thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment and share, guys. If you want me to do something for you, you can tell me. Just comment on the comment section, guys. Thank you for watching, guys. Thank you for watching. I love you. I love you.